The worst thing we can do is get reactive when we have a withdrawal. And I know it's the most normal thing to do when our money is on the line and our hopes and our dreams, and like we have to pay a bill and like there's stuff going on. And now we feel like we've been scammed and all we see on the internet is scam, scam, scam. I get it. But the worst thing we can do is be reactive. You being one of 1,000 people in their, chat box is not going to help. They will get to the bottom of it. And if it does turn out to be that they're the worst company in the world, which it could happen, and I'm not saying that is the case, you will survive it. And I never get the analogies right. Words matter. What is that expression? Somebody can tell me, why is a bird not afraid on the tree? It's because they can trust that their wings are going to catch them on the way down. So it's why the eagle can fly so high, is because they know that their wings will catch them and glide them. I cannot promise that any of these brokers are not going to crap out and not going to do something bad. I cannot promise that. And we need to get over the need for coddling of that reassurance. No one can give it to you, including myself. I can't give it to you. I can just say that we will survive it. We will diversify. We will protect our butts in the best way we can. We will be patient. And then when and if it works out, great. And if it doesn't, we will survive that too. We will make it work.